Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I've got a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing my very first Ipsy Icon box. And I know that this one is in conjunction with Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I can't wait to dive in. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of May. It is the Sydney Grace Sweet Indulgence palette. You can get this on her clearance site right now. And it's so pretty. I love her shimmers. And our mattes blend really effortlessly and everything's super pigmented. Lasts a long time. Love it. So giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. And you must be subscribed to the channel in order to win. So if you haven't joined us yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I do them a lot here on the channel. And I've got some huge ones coming up. We're so close to that 1900 mark, and when we hit that we'll do a giveaway, and then we've got some huge stuff set aside for our 2000th subscriber, so help us get there if you haven't already. As far as what is on my eyes today, I love how this green look came out. It is the Juvia's Place Culture palette. It looks like that, and I kind of used these 4 shades right in there. So I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. It'll save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. If you do use the code, I thank you. So the Icon box comes out every quarter, so I'm super excited. Let's dive in, find out what's in here, find out what we're giving away to one of you guys. So if you see me looking down, my notes are kind of on my phone. What Ipsy does say about the Icon box is our obsession with brows started with Anastasia Soare, the industry trailblazer who taught us that there's no one-size-fit-all approach to beauty. Now the founder of Anastasia Beverly Hills is bringing her legacy of hard work and breakthrough techniques to a curated Icon box experience. So the first item in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in Warm Tan. It does retail for $36. It is full size. All the items in your Icon box will be full size. So forget the sun and its damaging UV rays. This revolutionary cream bronzer helps to add a weightless, sun-kissed glow and multi-dimensional warmth to your skin to rival any real sun tan. Sculpting and contouring are also a cinch thanks to its streak-free formula that goes on matte, so you'll get a seamless second skin finish in every sweep. Looks like that. And here's what the shade itself looks like. Now the next item in here I'm super excited about is the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer Corrector. Now I did get it in this shade 2. It does retail for $29. Obviously the full size is 0.4 fluid ounces. So they don't call this concealer magic for nothing. The creamy buildable formula somehow corrects, brightens, and blurs, all while still looking like skinned. What I liked about this one when I saw it is it had a little bit, I thought of like a salmon color base. And it's not looking like that. Oh no. The salmon color bases are so good for light toned skin people who want help with the dark circles. And unfortunately, that's not what that is. Bummer. From Glow Recipe is a Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Does retail for $38. It is 15 milligrams. And say see you later to puffy eyes and dark circles with the multiple award-winning vitamin C infused eye cream. This vegan and cruelty-free gel formula is powered by 10% encapsulated vitamin C antioxidants, rich guava, a tone evening niacinamide blend, energizing green caffeine and plumping peptides to help brighten up your under eye area. I am allergic to caffeine, so this one's going to be a no-go, but the packaging does look like this. So I do like the JLo Beauty packaging. I will say though that it came like this. So if this got bumped, there goes your serum. This is that JLo Glow Serum from JLo Beauty. Retails for $105. You better be looking at me like JLo by using this. It is 45 milliliters. The name speaks for itself. This serum game changer status is all thanks to sugar-derived skin-lifting matrix Japanese rice, sake, and yeast-derived ferments, which condition and to help brighten the skin for unbridled JLo glow. Let's see if it does give me that JLo glow. It just looks kind of wet. Yeah, not really getting a JLo glow from that. From Too Faced Cosmetics is the Killer Liner 36-Hour Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in black. It does retail for $23 and is 0.04 ounces. It's an eyeliner pencil, obviously. And waterproof doesn't even begin to cover the long wear power of this pencil liner. The highly saturated gel eyeliner pencil not only resists water and sweat, it also stands up the test of time and won't fade up to 36 hours, helping your eyes stay bold for days. I struggle so much with because my eyes are really watery. They sweat a lot, and I struggle so much by a couple hours having eyeliner and mascara with black down here. It's just, it's a mess. There's this, and it's one of those that it feels kind of plastic on the outside, but I do think that you can sharpen it. Like I said before, the packaging on the JLo Beauty is very, very pretty. This is the Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. Retails for $58, is 17 ounces. It's a moisturizer. The skin plumping cream is pumped with Next Gen hyaluronic acid, peptides, niacinamide, and collagen, protecting ceramides to help give you the ultra soft, subtle, and radiant skin. Natural ferments and soap property olive complex also helps to plump fine lines and wrinkles. Looks like that. I used to use like exclusively Veda products, but they were just so expensive, so I was excited to see this one in here. This is the Nutriplenish Styling Treatment Foam. Retails for $36, is 6.7 fluid ounces. It is a volumizing foam, help you get volume. The volume really isn't my problem. It's keeping my curls intact so they don't frizz is my problem. So don't let your limp, lifeless hair weigh you down. The weightless styling foam brings your hair back to life. It uses air-infused technology to help deliver high shine, volume, and medium hold so that your hair looks luminous all day long. Like I said, I need help. I don't need really help with the volume. I got the volume. It's the keeping the curls intact so they don't frizz is what I need help with. Last product in here is from Kate Somerville. It's the Dry Skin Saver. I do have dry skin. So it retails for $56. It is a moisturizer. And the replenishing cream is like a self A comforting hug for sensitive and stressed out skin, which I really have. It is fragrance free. Love that. And highly versatile, the lightweight formula helps provide instant relief from dryness, tightness, and roughness anywhere you feel it. Just like that. What did I think about my first icon box? I have questions. Secret word of the day is question. So I would use this. I'd use... Can't use that. Can't use that. Won't use that. Won't use that. Won't use that. So I had 2 items in here that I would use. Is it worth the $50 some odd for that? I mean, yeah, my product total is worth over that, but I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items that I can't use, which is 6 items that I can't really use. So let's give away that concealer. It's just in a shade that isn't right for me. Hopefully it will work out for one of you guys. Which of the items in here were your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Oh, and my other question was on this, I would really like an eyeshadow palette. It's Anastasia in Beverly Hills. It's an icon box. That's just me, but they didn't choose it for me. So anyway, make sure to also put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries and how the bonus entries work because you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on the form if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on the form that you did do them if you actually did, because I do check. Your 4 ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok, that's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video with your family, friends, on your socials. It really means the world to me when you guys do that. I'm really trying to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your guys' help. So when you guys do that, I want to find a way to get back and reward you guys for doing so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, tariffs, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged in the packaging, anything like that, and damaged in the processing, I should say, and anything like that. Make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through June 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on June 7th, what I'll do is from all of the forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take the first name, first initial of the last name, with the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there. Put those in the computer spins it around, we all see the computer spin it around, and then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information, I don't sell that information, I don't create distribution lists. I'm the only one that has access to that. So like I said, as soon as I mail out the prizes to the winners, I delete all of those forms. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. If not, no worries. We will hopefully see you soon. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!